because tomorrow will be better. Now that I've got the blood pumping from running in place for 3 minutes and it's trying to push through the muscles, rotated the joints, now the blood can get through to the muscles. It's day one. All I want to do is get the body remembering that it knows how to stretch, it knows how to exercise, and it knows what it feels like to get better. Now it's time for muscle fitness. The blood wanted to go to the muscles. We got the joints moving so that the blood could pass through the joints and get to the muscles. We stretched the muscles, not too much, just enough so they're ready to roll. Now it's time for muscle fitness. If I can't do knee push-ups, wall push-ups. What are wall push-ups? And if it's too easy, I slide down a little. After muscle fitness and exercise, I take a moment, I set my alarm, I say, hey Google, wake me up in 7 minutes. And I sit in a comfortable position. Right now I'm at my dining room table. I relax, I close my eyes. I'm counting 10 breaths. An exhale is 1 breath, and inhale is the next breath. Number 2. But on every exhale, I'm expelling all the air I can from my lungs. And I'm not going to blow it out really fast. I'm going to blow it really consistently. In my mind, I'm keeping track of these while also monitoring my breath. The Buddhists refer to the exhalation that when I'm pushing completely all the way out and then some more until the body takes over, there's an instant they refer to as a mini death. Now, this is a good thing. That mini death is when I get a chance to look at myself and remember everything is temporary, myself included. I give my last breath. The body inhales and life starts over. The inhalation happens. And I feel good about that. And that moment probably does different things for different people. But for me, it's a good way to mentally cleanse. It really calms me. It takes me away from all of my daily responsibilities, all of my stresses, and I become quiet again, like when I started, before I added all of these external stressors into my life. And after several years of practice now, I realize how important this is to my mind and my body, my weight loss, my nutrition, my health. Because if my mind is cleansed, I can prepare my foods. I can eat mindfully rather than gorging myself while I'm watching a show, just pummeling myself with external hedonistic pleasures. I don't need to do that if my mind is cleansed. And since I do it after I've done my warm-up, my joint rotations, my muscle fitness, and I'm drinking water, I feel good. I can sit comfortably, and I can close my eyes, set a timer knowing I'm not going to fall asleep and waste my whole day away, allow myself to rest until the timer goes off. Just me, myself, and eyelids. With a cleansed mind, I can eat mindfully and stick to the portions that I need and choose nutrition instead of indulgent binging tastes. Let's do this. Check out my video on how to make steamed greens fast and easy. The trick, according to Dr. Caldwell B. Esselstyn Jr., the general surgeon who specializes in reversing heart disease, to steam the greens and then add balsamic vinegar, no oil. He would get very upset if I added oil. When I asked Dr. Esselstyn, where am I going to get my nutrients? He said, if you eat this way, you won't ever have to worry about your nutrients again. Now I can see the sunrise. All this has happened before sunrise. It's just starting to wake up out there. And I'm starting to wake up in here. I hope you're enjoying coming with me on this journey. Today is day 1 of 30 days of weight loss, nutrition, and lifestyle balance. Thanks for watching Whole Food Plant People.